Hi friends, I am Muhammad Zubair Khan Lodi and you are watching Topic Factor English YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you that how you can create a website for free with free of cost. You don't need to pay anything and even a single dollar or rupees to create that website. But there are still options available to buy domain and upgrade to premium, because if you don't get the premium, there will be only a simple watermark on your website of wix.com. Otherwise all the tools and other things are free. So let's go to Google search bar to start. First of all, you may have to simply search Wix on Google search bar. Then the website will be open in the front view. First one is also Wix, the second one is also, we will may click on second one for example. Then this type of page opens in the front of you. There you can see there are details of their website, tools etc. So to show you that how many tools and personal designs and feeds they have. First of all, we will may simply click on get started. You can see there is some a screenshot of it. Click on get started. Then this type of page will may open in the front of you. You can see now it is visible to you. You can simply continue with Facebook or continue with Google, or you can fill this simple form and sign up. I am continuing with Google and directly opening my account because I have already created one. Guys, this is my dashboard and you can see that I have already created a site. I named it my site 1. I am also will show you it to you later. And there are everything available which you need to set your site, create and edit and everything. And you can also create multiple sites with one account. You can simply click on site action to get feedback, view, rename, duplicate, transfer, invite people, move to trash, or you can create a new site. Now before I tell you that how you can create a site and do post, publishes, connect domain, get found on Google etc. I'm going to show you a site, this site which I just created. So now I am simply going to click on that site, the URL which is visible, and to open it. You can simply see now that my site is loading and this is my site. Look, I have completely edited this as a test ID. Welcome. If you like it, then subscribe to my channel. The link of my both channels are available here. Also set this all by myself, and all of this is for free of cost. Now we are going to talk about the watermark. You can see at the upper layer there is a simple watermark which says this site was designed by wix.com web builder, created on website today. This is the only watermark which will be shown. You can also remove it by paying, but our topic is to create a site. Okay, now let's back to dashboard. And now here we are back on our dashboard. But tell you, the main thing is with that when you sign up, the dashboard not open in the front view currently. First of all, you may have to create website, and now the interface which I am going to show you, this type of interface may come in the front of you. First of all, when you just click on sign up, it usually takes 1 or 2 minutes to load. So guys, after the loading is complete, then this type of an interface will come in the front of you, that what kind of website do you want to create. There are also options available. I am a YouTuber, so I am going to search here for YouTube. Now look, when I type YouTube, there are also YouTube tech channel, gaming channel, site, many and all type of YouTube channel websites can be created here. I am a tech YouTuber, so I simply choose tech and simply click on next. After clicking on it, there will be a special type of interface will come in, that do you want them to create a website, because they also have an artificial intelligence which will create your site just by answering us some simple questions, or you can use their editor to completely deeply edit your own site. I recommend this one. But if you are not a good designer, then you can go for you can let them create a website for you. But we are going to edit it by our own, so simply click on edit a template, and this type of interface will come in the front of you. You can see there are some templates they created. You can simply choose them and edit them as you want. And you, for example, you can see the lower down, this one right side is the one which I created and edited it in my own way. It is another thing that I don't edit it much because it was just a test ID. Just simply choose one. For example, I choose let me choose for example this one. Let's choose this one and click on edit. This will also create, gonna take some time because it loads all the data and then start the editor in the front of you. Before it completes, kindly subscribe to my channel and like the video. Now the editor has been opened in the front of you. There are everything: add, menu, pages, theme manager, backgrounds, add apps, media, my blogs, booking, and each and everything which you want in here. You can completely customize everything. You can add, remove, completely design. For example, there is an icon book now. If I click on here linked, I can set that what happen if somebody click on here. I also can change backgrounds and each and everything. Like I show you that I click on book now, click on linked, and now we will make click on none or web address. We can choose, I choose web address and paste the URL so that when the user the viewer click on this book now, the pasted URL will be automatically opened. You can choose it into the new window or current window, and there are many other things like pages, document, email, phone number, anything you can choose. So first maybe we should try pasting something in here. For example, that I may paste here the URL of my YouTube channel. After clicking on it, we will click on done to save these changes. And now let's see that how longer this website can be. We will scroll down and you can see there are so many details and picture written. You can also set the back, and this is where you can set how show in desktop and how show in mobile. You can simply select mode and also can add everything you want. And after your work is done, you can also search here for, you can preview your website, you can save and directly publish it, and you get the link of the website. And after it, your dashboard will be also visible to you. You can see that there is everything written. You can edit everything and create as you want. So I hope so that you will may like this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thanks for watching.